Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about how you can show game status over on Discord. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Discord application on PC and make sure you're logged in with your account. After logging in, you'll be brought to the account's main page. At the left side, your servers list will be present. If you tap on your profiles bar at the bottom left corner, you can see that I'm not playing or the status is not showing. To enable this activity status, just follow the steps carefully. The first thing you need to do is just select the settings icon beside your profile bar, and then in the left side menu scroll down and select activity privacy under activity settings tab. Now toggle on the first bar to enable activity status and then click on registered games to add the application overlay. Tap on Edit, Embed, and then select the preferred game from the list. After that, save these settings. If I check the game activity on my profile, now you can see that Chrome is being displayed as I selected it as my activity. And that's how you can show game status on Discord. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.